Prefabrication is a construction process where we're able to prefabricate building enclosures, walls, ceilings, soffits, and we're able to do it in a controlled environment. We currently have a project in Woodland Hills, California. It's a senior living facility consisting of 3 separate buildings, 7 and 8 stories tall. Our prefabrication process begins in our virtual design and construction department, our VDC department. They work hand in hand with the architect to construct and build a fully coordinated BIM model. Once design is complete, panel tickets are created. Those are sent to our prefabrication facility, which is off-site. From there, materials are gathered, pre-cut, bundled, and put into place to build the panels themselves. As the prefabricated panels are built and completed, they are loaded onto trucks at the off-site facility. From there, the trucks take those panels directly to the job site, and the panels are then craned into place with just-in-time construction. There are many safety benefits in doing prefabrication. We are able to operate efficiently in a controlled environment. This greatly reduces the amount of safety hazards we may incur on site. It also reduces the amount of manpower that we may need on site. Not only does prefabrication allow for a safer job site environment, it also greatly benefits the owner and allows an expedited schedule and the project to be completed quicker and become operational sooner.